Hi, grade 10. I'm now doing another video on extension work of today's lesson, which was finding an angle. It's just slide 17 from the trigonometry PowerPoint. Exactly the same as that previous lesson that I just did. It's just an extension. It's just got some extra stuff in it. So if we look at example 1, they're asking us to determine the value of theta correct to 1 decimal place. And question 1 or example 1 is sine theta minus 20 degrees equals 0,335. Okay, so you remember from the previous video, we want to get the trig function on its own, and it is on its own. There's nothing in the front and there's nothing over here saying plus or minus something. Okay, I bring down my angle. Now my angle in this case is this entire thing inside the bracket, the theta minus 20. So we get theta minus 20 equals, how do we get rid of the sign? We go shift sign this number, 0.335, close my bracket, and I'm going to round that off to 1 decimal. So we get 19.6. Okay, now we still want to get the theta on its own. So I take the negative 20 to the other side and it becomes positive. And if I plus it to the other side, I get 39,6 degrees. And that's our angle theta. Okay, if we look at example 2, we've got 4 cos 2 theta minus 35 degrees equals 2,018. Okay, do we have the trig function on its own? No, we don't. This thing is messing us around. So that is saying 4 times this cos thing. So to get rid of it, we have to divide by 4. What I do to this side, I must do to that side. Okay, so those will cancel, and we're left with cos 2 theta minus 35 degrees is equal to 2.018 divided by 4, and we get 0,5045. Okay, now we do have the trig function on its own, and this is our angle, what's inside the bracket, 2 theta minus 35. So 2 theta minus 35 equals, to get rid of the cos, we go shift cos. Always make sure that you get that -1 there. And then we put this number over here, 0.5045, close our bracket, equals. Round that off to 1 decimal. So we get 59,7 degrees. Now this is just like any normal equation. I'm going to take the -35 to the other side first, and it becomes a positive. So we get 59.7 plus 35, and that gives us 94.7 degrees. To get the theta on its own, I have to divide by 2, divide by 2. So I'm going to take this, divide by 2, and we get theta is equal to 47 point to 1 decimal place. That's going to be 0.4 degrees. Okay, so that's just extension work with some different angles there. I would like you guys to try exercise 5.4, number 1, I, J, M, and N. Thank you, grade 10s.